too, but it was so boring these couple last months because I was at home without you.
Yeah, it's the same here. I really missed you.
I wish I could do that ramen making kit that you did.
Yeah, I was missing you too.
I did it, but it was so boring. I wish we could do something together.
Yeah. Did you like my ramen though?
Yeah.
But it was not that fun
Yeah.
making it without you.
Yeah.
So,
what shall we do now?
so don't worry, Yasha. I have brought this DIY Diwali kit
Wow.
that we're gonna open together.
Okay, so let's do it.
Let's
unbox this.
So
Let's
let's
unbox
start
this.
unboxing.
The first thing we have is the instruction manual.
And I'll start seeing what's inside.
Okay, so we have a 3D temple setup which contains temple and diyas. Then we have a Bandanwar set that has leaves, parrots, and also Ganeshji. Oh, this is the set. Wow.
And then we have
Okay, then we have crackers.
a foam ball.
That has rocket, anar, and bomb. So let's see what all we have.
So we have these gems and
Wow,
things.
these are so cute gems.
We have paints.
They're all different sizes. These are so small.
And then we have these stands for the mandir, I think.
Yeah.
3D mandir. And then we have this. I'll just keep this
So let's start making the 3D temple first. So let's start. So guys, I have set everything up and now I'm going to be reading the instructions for making the 3D temple set.
And I'll open it up.
So the step 1 to make it is to first attach the mirrors to the jaali arch. So here's the jaali arch. We're going to attach little mirrors that we just showed you on there. Then the step 2 is to paste the different sizes of mirrors to the leepan work tile. You may add color to it and then paste mirrors to it. Leepan work, it is traditional art form created with clay and mirrors. This art form is commonly practiced by women in rural parts of Gujarat. They decorate the walls of their houses with the leepan art. So that was the step 2. Now I'm going to be telling you the step 3. That is, place the wooden stands on 2 sides and place the jaali arch in front and tile it at the back. Adjust the tile if required.
Alright.
let's
So hearing
start
that,
making it.
Yasha, I think we need some stuff that I brought
Yeah.
from home. So I brought these 2 glasses with water, some earbuds, and like cups and stuff.
So we have.
Oh!
It had water. I didn't know it had water in it.
Okay.
It's okay.
I took this
We'll keep
one.
it.
I'll just keep it inside. Okay, now we need to open this. So it came with a newspaper.
Newspaper that we will be needing because I just dropped some water.
Yeah, exactly. And then this is, I think, the background which we'll decorate.
Yeah, I think that is the leepan artwork.
Yeah.
And
So I'll
this
open
is
this,
the jaali arch.
which you just showed.
I'll put this to cover up my mess that I made.
So what happened? What we? Oh my God.
Okay.
Whatever. So what do we have to do first?
I think we have to first put the stands.
I think first we should paint it, or
Okay.
it's really difficult.
Yeah. So let's start painting it.
First.
So guys, as you can see now we're going to be painting this. So let's divide the beads equally among us.
Mirror. So
Mirrors.
So I have these ones and these ones. So but let's do the big ones first. So I'll give you some of them.
I'll put the small ones after some of them.
Okay, I put all the big
Now you
ones.
can take some of the small ones as well.
You can take out also these. Alright, so
Thank you. So I'm going to keep it on my side, some of them.
do we need these ones?
No, we're going to be using these.
Alright, so, and then we need these sketch pens to draw the dots. So yeah. So what's your favorite color in here?
I think I like this really pastel purple. As you can see.
I like this blue, but or this red. This red is really
Okay, so let's open it.
yeah. So I'll take the glue and add the mirrors
Okay.
first, and then you can just draw the dots.
Draw the dots.
Yeah, I mean like
Okay.
draw. I mean, you know, paste stuff like that.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna be taking this color and start coloring.
So I think the big
Yeah.
one goes over here.
Yeah.
So I'll just put this
Yeah.
one.
Oh, you're putting it the wrong way, I think.
I think it
don't know.
goes over. No,
I think, yeah.
Start.
So now it's done.
It looks so good now. Let's do this.
Yeah.
Now I think we have to divide it. So let's do that.
Yeah, let's
this
do a
side
mirror image.
we can do it like a mirror image.
Yeah.
This side I'll do and this side you can do. So
Alright.
you can make the divisions if you want.
Or and then you can make your division.
Okay.
Wait, let's flip it around. Oh wait, this side. Okay. So like, how do I make it? Like
after two of
So
these.
should I make it slanting or should I make it like straight?
I think you should do it straight.
And then you have to do the same, right?
Yeah. After every two.
Okay.
You can do that also.
So now let's make the patakas. So what patakas are we gonna make, Yasha?
So we're going to make 2 patakas. First will be, sorry, 3.
Oh.
We're going to make a rocket, then anar, and then bomb. So
So
what?
I think the spiral is from the like anar. Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
So what
Yeah, it's
do you
from
wanna
anar.
make first?
Let's make the rocket.
Alright. Oh, look at these stickers and this.
That must be for the bomb that we're going to be making.
Okay. So
Let's open this. So let's make the rocket first.
Alright.
Open it up. Oops. So many things. So what shall we do first?
So the rocket. So what does it?
Say. So the first step is to roll the glitter sheet to make a cylindrical shape.
This glitter sheet?
Yeah, I think so.
So
Okay, I got it. I know what we have to do. I think we have to peel this off,
okay.
and now I think it's gonna stick.
So how do we roll it? Like this?
No. I think we have to make a cylinder as it says.
Cylinder shape.
Wait, we have to glue it. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Let's
what
glue
the
it
line
together.
was. Yeah.
Let's glue it there.
Okay.
I'll read the second step.
Alright.
Make
here.
a cone from this semicircle piece and
You
stick
see,
on
I
top.
need help.
Okay.
So, alright. Alright.
Now keep on holding it for some time, and I'll make the cone of the rocket.
Oh my gosh, this is opening.
The cone part.
Alright.
How do I make this?
Just make the cone.
Okay.
Alright.
And roll this.
Alright. So let's do
Do
some
the
magic.
To finish it up.
This is the rocket and this is the anar.
And this is the bomb. Boom!
Boom boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
And it also came with these bang and booms more, but we didn't put them on.
We only put one of them.
Yeah.
Boom!
Because it looks more cool.
Yes.
So now we're
Let's hurry up and get to the Bandanwar.
yeah. So let's start. So guys, Yasha made it a little dirty last time, so she has another.
No, I
area.
did not make it dirty. This is to mark that this is my spot, and that can be your spot.
Like that can be yours. I'm not
Yeah,
the
this
side
is.
one.
Yeah, this
Okay,
is.
then now let's just make the Bandanwar.
Yeah.
Whatever. Wait, I'm opening it. Oh my gosh.
See, she fights a lot.
Here, you can help me.
She's a little baby. That's why.
Oh yeah.
You did it. You did it. You did it.
Alright, I'll just whatever.
Okay, so we have this ribbon and
We have these
and ropes and
leaves and
we have more mirrors. We have more mirrors.
we have Ganesh. Okay, mirrors is like a popular thing. I don't know why.
She speaks in that accent.
And then we have Ganesh. We have the bird.
Wait,
It's gonna sit on you.
no, it's not.
Okay, let's open it.
Then we have these beads.
we have beads.
So what's so exciting about that? She did this. We have beads. Have you never seen beads?
Okay.
This is beads.
And then we have these stickers. And then we have these little earrings.
And then bigger leaves. And
And
then
then
we have
And then we have these.
these mirrors. Ooh, we
And the-
have
a
triangle
golden
shaped
blue.
also. This time we have triangle shaped also and circle now.
Yeah, and then we have a golden glaze thing. A ribbon.
Then we have nothing.
Yeah, and then we have like a rope over here. We have teeny mini mirrors.
I
So
just
let's
saw.
start.
So let's just keep them in a row.
Yeah.
So the leaves here and the birds there.
No, we're gonna do it alternate. Like this.
No, we are going to do it alternate, but for now let's just arrange them.
Okay, let's do it. Wait, no. You should like this.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, okay, do it. Now and all together. So beautiful.
Yeah. And make sure to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends so everybody can